if you saw in the past a post and you give them a like, and right now your mind is always on that post and you want to find that post and you think you'll never see that again, well, no worries, because in this guide I will show you where to see the like history on Facebook, everything that you liked, and give them a thumbs up. So that being said, let me show you how to find the like history page on Facebook. I will just open the Facebook app, and in order to find this page you will have to get into the settings of Facebook. I'll reach the menu. Let's scroll down until we find settings and privacy, and let's head straight into settings again, and from here let's scroll down until we find the activity. We'll have to get inside activity log, press on that, and here you can find like your activity on Facebook, the public posts, public tags, stories, story activity, page likes, and so on. Let's scroll until we reach likes and reactions. This is the page we have to reach in order to see the post that you liked. And if you scroll here, you can go through your whole history that you have on your Facebook. So that being said, that was about this guide. I really hope I help you. Give us a like if we help you, and please have a nice day.